Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix notification not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. Missing important alerts on your iPhone after updating to iOS 17? No worries, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and get those notifications back on track. Let's dive into the solutions to ensure you stay informed and never miss a beat. First of all, you have to do is simply check your notification settings. Ensure allow notifications is turned on. You have to open your settings, tap on your notification, and ensure that the allow notification is turned on which app, for which app is causing the issue. Verify that notifications are enabled for specific apps you are having trouble with. Customize the notification sounds, badges, banners for each app as needed. Then you have to do is disable the focus mode. Focus modes can silence notifications. You have to simply open your focus mode and turn off any active focus modes. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then move to the next step. Our next step is update the apps. Outdated apps might have notification issues. So you have to scroll back and go to App Store, tap on the profile picture, scroll down and you can see your option. You can see the updated apps, the apps which need update. You can simply tap on update all or you can individually update one and one. So guys, after trying these and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. You have to open your settings, tap on your general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.2.1. All I have to do is simply tap on update now or I can update it tonight. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset all settings on your iPhone. This will revert settings to their default without erasing data. To do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.